GEMS Al Barsha National School, our mission is to prepare students and empower them to lead successful lives. A really big part of that is financial literacy. I'd like to say a huge thank you to KFI and Emirates NBD for facilitating really engaging and interactive sessions where they've learned about personal finance, things like budgeting and saving. They've taken so many really important life lessons away with them today.
Hello, my name is Fatma, and I would like to thank KFI for giving us these courses and Emirates NBD for sponsoring it. It went amazing. We learned so many stuff about money management, and as a Year 12 class, I think everyone has learned so many stuff. I learned how to manage my money and about credit card and debit card. I would recommend this to young students and young adults so they can manage their money.
Hi, my name is Umar Muhammad Jabbar. I am in Year 12 and I really liked this course because it taught me about how to manage your finances. I've had the privilege to get taught this by Miss Marilyn, so I thank her. And I also learned that how you can manage good debt and bad debt, and also that how you can build a good credit score and how to manage credit card debt and how to manage your monthly expenses. So I thank KFI Global, which is sponsored by Emirates NBD. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Faris and I'm in Year 12, and I benefited a lot from this course because it helped me identify the risks from certain things in business and how to use them to my benefit. I'd like to thank the KFI Global program and their sponsors, Emirates NBD.
My name is Shahir Ahmed Khan. I learned a lot from this course because it helped me how to manage my ventures in finance and how to better ready myself for when I get into it, when I have a credit card. I learned a lot about the interest rates, about how 24 to 48% can damage me or can be challenging to manage in the future. Also, thank you to KFI Global and Emirates NBD for this opportunity.
Hello, my name is Ben, and I walked in the class. I had no idea what the course was going to be about. But then, as soon as I walked in, I was so interested because it was fun. It was a fun course to do, and it was pretty easy to understand. And I thank the KFI Global team and the Emirates NBD.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Ibrahim. I'm a Year 12 student. I'm part of the GNS community. So we recently just had a course sort of thing sponsored by the KFI company, which was sponsored by the Emirates NBD bank. So this event or workshop, you could say, taught us about how to save money or what not to do as an adult. And we learned about different things and gained experience. So I think this should be done for other students in other high school. Yeah, thank you.